Hi, welcome to this unboxing video for MORFMorfuns LX. MORFMorfuns has a big professional team based in China and Japan. It's focused on folding e-bikes. We are committed to bringing the fun of cycling to people all around the world. We launched our first carbon fiber e-bike, the LS, in 2020. This is super lightweight. It's only 14.5 kilos. Let's take a look. The HMI is the SW102. That leaves the handlebar clean and free to bolt on other accessories and fold into a small, tight package. It's all going to be broken by that speaking in the background. LS is lightweight for multimodal urban commuting. But if your commute includes shortcuts over dirt tracks or light trails, it's worth exploring our latest models, the LX range. I've just received a new LX, so let's get this box opened and guide you through setting it up and getting out there for the ride. First, we cut the safety straps to get into the box, then open it carefully. Inside, we are presented with the accessory box, toolkit, charger, and manual. Before your first ride, read the manual carefully. Now take out the phone. Be careful, this one is your battery. And lift the bike out. Grab your trusty scissors to cut off the zip ties to take off the phone. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Now we need to unfold the bike. Open the two halves . And put the kickstand on. Now it's starting to look like a normal bike. Insert the stem into the stem. Make sure this mark is not visible. The stem has to be inserted below this mark for safe riding. Now check it's the right height for you, and that's it. The bike's mechanically assembled. Now for those fancy electrics. Now, open the quick release here to slide the battery down into the bike. You want to go all the way in and then close the QR. Now we can add the saddle. Slide it on top, move the piece inside here, adjust the angle, and then tighten. Okay, now connect the battery. You want to feel for the port and then hear the click. Hidden here is the main power switch. To turn the bike on, press the power switch here. Let's explore the spec for this model. The frame is 6061 aluminium alloy that's flat welded together for improved durability. Then the welds are polished to give that premium look and feel. Therefore, the frame looks good and is strong and reliable. To keep the weight down, the front fork is made from a magnesium aluminum alloy. The rear fork is made of aluminium alloy and is linked to the seat tube via a shock absorber that improves riding and comfort. As to the transmission, the chainring is a Pro Wheel 52 tooth and the crank leg is 170mm long. The rear hub is equipped with an 8-speed cassette, which gives a broad range of gear options. The chain is the KMC 8-speed, and the Shimano Altus outer 8-speed derailleur means you achieve a smooth and fast shifting. In order to further reduce space after folding, the pedals are also foldable. For the cockpit, we have a 6061 aluminium straight handlebar that's 580mm wide. It's linked to the fork steerer by a one-piece forged folding stem. The brakes are hydraulic disc brakes with an integrated safety cutoff switch paired with 160mm rotors front and rear. When the brakes are actuated, the motor immediately cuts out and those rotors bring you to a smooth or even an immediate stop. The display is from Topology, DZ41 colourful LED with integrated remote that gives you control over the gear, lights and other functions. The display shows you speed, distance, power and other information, as well as letting you choose 5 different power assist settings. And the headlight is the Star Union QD139 that uses LEDs to provide a broad light pattern peaking at 30 lux, where you need it most. The headlight has an integrated horn that blasts out 85 decibels of noise, so you'll be seen and heard out there. The saddle is the Zeus Comfort model, both soft and comfortable. The seat tube is 57mm of 6061 aluminium alloy and is also the battery, so it can be taken with you to prevent theft and recharged at the same time. Packed inside are 30 21700 batteries, giving you 36 volt and 15 amp hours. The system uses this 36 volts to generate 10 amps for a cruising range over 80 kilometers. Our charger is a 100 to 240 volts smart charger that works from home sockets around the entire world and feeds 42 volts, 2 amp, to fully charge an empty battery in about 4 to 6 hours. Hidden here is the main power switch. To keep you safe at night, MORFMorfuns includes reflectors, like this one. Both wheels are known as 20-inch. We ship with a Nova 20 by 2.2 inch tyres that combine the grip with a low rolling resistance. The rim is aluminium alloy fixed in place with inclined pull spokes. That improves the rigidity of the wheels. The front wheel has a quick release. Let's look at the 2 options of rear motor in more detail. Both are 36 volt, but in the EU and Australia the output must be limited to a rated power of 250 watt. But we also have a 350 watt option. The maximum torque is 65 Newton meters. For the EU and Australia, the maximum speed assisted is 25 kilometers per hour. In other countries this is 28 kilometers per hour. It's all software controlled. The motor is super quiet, which is less than 55 decibels at its loudest. The motor provides quiet and comfortable assistance, so you can just focus on enjoying that ride. On that note, time to get out there and enjoy the ride.